Hi everyone, let us make Jowar Roti. It is tasty and healthy. The ingredients required are half spoon salt, 1 glass Jowar atta, 3/4 glass water. Switch on the stove and boil water. Once the water starts boiling, add salt. Add Jowar flour. Switch off the stove and mix thoroughly to avoid lumps. Cover with a lid for 2 minutes. Transfer the mixture into a plate to make a dough. Knead the dough to make it soft. Since the dough is hot, moisten your hands with a little water. Start heating the pan so that it becomes hot. Roll out the dough to make roti. Coat the dough with flour to avoid sticking to the rolling board. After reaching medium size, start thinning the edges. Dust the rolling board with some flour if you feel any stickiness in the dough. Start cooking the rotis while the pan is hot. Flip the rotis after 2 minutes. Press the edges to get more fluffiness and even cooking. With 100 grams of Jowar atta, we can make 3 medium-sized rotis. If you cook for more time, you will get crispy rotis instead of soft rotis. The yummy and tasty Jowar rotis are ready. It tastes great with all type of dals and curries.